dead of night, wings flap at the window, the pane opens, and in flutters a large bat. Or is it Dracula? Bats have been associated with darkness and mystery throughout human memory. They have been shunned, feared, and misunderstood for centuries despite their contributions to a healthy ecosystem. Despite this strange disconnect, we can do much for our brother bat. Bats are very beneficial to their environment and are an indicator species of a healthy ecosystem. They help disperse seeds, and their guano is one of the best fertilizers in the world, highly sought after by professional gardeners. North American species also eat bags of bugs, up to 4 times their body weight in one night, an excellent and eco-friendly way to control insect pests. While they have been compared to flying rodents, they are in fact more closely related to human beings than to mice. There are numerous challenges facing bats today. An example of a human-based challenge are wind turbines. While the bats can generally avoid the blades, the turbines create a low-pressure area, which causes the blood vessels in the bat's lungs to burst, similar to when a diver experiences the bends. Obviously, exploding lungs is not healthy for bats, and leads to the death of many of them. Another challenge facing bats is white nose syndrome. This epidemic has now been charted in 22 states and 5 Canadian provinces in the Northeast. This is characterized by a white fungus that grows on the nose and wings of hibernating bats, causing them to wake up more than is normal for their hibernation cycles. This, in turn, forces them to expend more energy than they can afford to use, and many starve to death over the winter. Many biologists and bat enthusiasts are working hard to rehabilitate white nose survivors and stop its spread, bridging the human-bat divide. Lastly, bats are suffering from habitat destruction and disturbances of urban roosts. Unfortunately, these, in their current form, cannot be stopped. However, we can learn to live with bats. They are highly adaptable and are happy to live within our urban areas. We can easily provide them with better and specialized habitats which will not only allow them to remain undisturbed, but will provide artists and architects with room to innovate and make the bat houses works of art in their own right. In return, the bats will provide free pest control and fertilizer, while the plant-eating varieties will help revegetate via seed dispersal and pollination. These amazing creatures have much to teach us about environmental stewardship. For centuries, they have secretly taken care of us while we shunned them. It is time for us to return the favor.